Welcome to Dawiso Academy. Have you ever made a small change to your data only to discover later that it disrupted dashboards, reports, or entire workflows? For example, imagine you are asked to update the customer status column in your CRM. You need to split the active category into two new categories: engaged and prospective. Sounds simple enough, right? But what if that column feeds into dashboards, models, and campaigns across your organization? If you don't know all the places where it's used, a small change could cause big problems. Broken reports, skewed forecasts, and mistargeted marketing. This is where data lineage comes in. It gives you a complete map of where your data comes from, how it's used, and where it goes. This will help you spot dependencies and avoid unexpected issues. In this video, we'll show you how Dawiso makes it easy to visualize and analyze your data lineages, saving you time and headaches. Let's dive in. In Dawiso, creating a data lineage is automatic. Let's use the product dimension table as an example. When this table is scanned, Dawiso generates a visual diagram that shows all its connections and dependencies. This map makes it easy to see how data flows through your system and what other parts of your organization rely on it. You can also switch to edit mode to add notes or customize the view to suit your needs. This flexibility makes your lineage clear and actionable. How exactly does the data lineage help you? First, it makes locating and referencing data simple. For example, the product dimension table is part of the L2 sales data mart schema in the company data warehouse database, and this context is instantly visible. More importantly, lineages map data flow, both where the data comes from and where it goes next. You can trace the table to its source datasets, making it easy to reuse and update the source as needed. You can also see how it feeds into downstream objects like product sales summary or sales overview. This gives you the full picture of your data's impact and ensures you know exactly how everything is connected throughout your data ecosystem. Lineage is truly a game changer for impact analysis. For example, by tracing the product dimension table back to its sources, you can identify how changes to a column in one dataset will ripple through to other tables, reports, or dashboards. Without a tool like Dawiso, this kind of analysis could take days or weeks depending on the complexity of your data environment. Dawiso simplifies the process by showing you exactly what's affected by any change down to the smallest detail. This saves time, prevents costly errors, and ensures your systems stay reliable. To summarize, data lineage gives you a clear view of how your data flows, transforms, and connects across your organization. It helps you ensure data accuracy, understand dependencies, and maintain transparency in your processes. Ready to make data management easier? Start exploring your own data lineages in Dawiso and see how it transforms the way you work. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video has deepened your understanding of data governance and demonstrated how Dawiso can effectively support you in your data journey.